Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: satin ribbon, big golden beads, scissors, big needle, needle and thread, and a small golden bead. Take satin ribbon double of your desired length of necklace. I took 30 inches for 4-year skein. Put this ribbon in a needle. Start with knot, then put a bead. Repeat these steps till the end. Take another piece ribbon of 12-inch size for making a bow. Do the same as shown to make a beautiful bow. Now give V-cut and little fire to both ends of the ribbon. Now fix this bow to one end of necklace with the help of thread and needle. Fix a small gold bead on the knot. Our beautiful necklace is ready now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.